What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when contacts are missing or disappeared on your iPhone. While using your iPhone, open up your native settings app. From here, scroll down and tap on apps. These settings might look a bit different on your device depending on which iOS version you're using. In your app settings, scroll down and select contacts. In your contact settings, tap on Contacts Accounts to see which mail or iCloud account is synced and merged with your locally stored contacts on your iPhone. Select one of those and disable or enable contact syncing, depending on your preference. You can also delete the account from here. Back in your contact settings, you have the option to adjust your contact information on your device and import contacts that are potentially saved on your SIM card. This might fix the problem of your missing contacts if you previously used a different mobile device and your new iPhone is not syncing the SIM contacts automatically. Also, back in your contacts account settings, tap on your iCloud account, then select iCloud, and then show all apps using iCloud or saved to iCloud, depending on your iOS version. Here, you have the option to enable contact saving via your iCloud account. This will import all contacts you previously saved on an Apple device using the same Apple ID. You can then close your settings and open the Contacts app. It might show you a couple of new duplicates that have been found if you imported some contacts that have been saved previously on your device. Here, tap on Lists on the top left to access different contact lists, such as your iCloud contacts, email contacts, or simply a list of all contacts. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.